When it comes to RVing, during the day you have all kind of fun adventures, but you have to get ready for the nighttime activity. And so that evening routine is going to be really important. You got to be efficient. Remember, you have everything has a place, and you have a time in which you're doing it. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're here to have fun. And I hope you also take a little time in the evening to talk as a family about the things you really liked or the things that you want to do. And you do need to take a little bit of time to talk about what's coming up the next day. You got to be efficient, get that shower lineup done. That's rule number one in the evening. You can get all the towels and everything put back away when you're done with it. Number two, take out the trash. We identified with our morning routine where we want to put our trash, and we get everything put in there. During the day, you're going to collect a lot more. So make sure you get rid of that trash and put it wherever they ask you to put it at the site that you're at. And then lastly, make sure that you convert everything into sleepy time, whether it's a bed or it's a dining room table or it's a sofa, but don't do it too early. If you do it too early, you're going to be tripping over it. Some kids want to go to bed earlier, but as a family, talk about when the best time is to do that conversion. Good luck, make it your own, and have a lot of fun throughout the day.